Hello everyone and welcome to my second n8n tutorial video. For this project, what I'm going to be doing is creating a WhatsApp chatbot using n8n agents. This chatbot will be just a regular chatbot that you can communicate with, l- just like Gemini or OpenAI ChatGPT, but it will also be able to add events to my calendar and get the events on my calendar as well. So let's get started. First, you want to open two new tabs, and you want to open developers.facebook.com and business.facebook.com. When you go to developers.facebook.com, you want to and business.facebook.com, you want to sign in. And once you sign in, just go to the developers.facebook.com and go to my apps. Here we're going to be creating an app. I already have an app here, but if you're using it for the first time, you won't have any apps created. So first you want to create an app here. Just name the app. Let's, you can name it anything you want. It doesn't really matter. I'm gonna name it n8n agent 2, and just put your email over here and go next. Here you want to scroll down. Here for the use cases, you want to scroll down and select other, go to next, click on business as an app type, go to next, and just create the app. It'll ask you to, most likely it will ask you to add your input your password, so just add it there. Oh, it'll take a few seconds. Okay, so we created the app over here. You can see I named it n8n agent 2. In here you want to set up the WhatsApp. Click on setup. Here you will need a business portfolio. So as I mentioned, you need to open business on facebook.com, and if you're using it for the first time, you need to sign in, and you will need to create a business portfolio because it's requesting a business portfolio over here. So click on here and create a business portfolio, and just put a business portfolio name, first name, last name, and your business email, and just click on create. And it will just name it whatever you want, and once you create it, just go back here and you will have it here on the scroll down. Click on continue, and now you should see WhatsApp here on the left side, and you want to click on API setup. Here you will have a test number that that's going to be, let's say, the agent, sorry, the chatbot agent number, and you want to add a recipient phone number here as well. Just click on the manage phone number list and add a phone number. It's going to be easy. It will send you an SMS text code. You will enter it, and that will be it. So I'm gonna pick my phone number here. Okay, so let's go to our n8n canvas. workflow, and you want to add the first step. Search for WhatsApp business on messages. So once you send a message to the n8n agent chatbot on WhatsApp, it will trigger this workflow. Here, if you're using it for the first time, you're going to need to add new credential. It will ask for client ID and the client secret. So go back to the developers.facebook.com and go to app settings, go to basic. Here, just copy the app ID, add it here, then click on show app secret, copy it, and paste it over here. Click on save. Okay, if you put everything correctly and if you did the previous steps correctly, then it should give you connection tested successfully. So close this, back to canvas. Now you want to go to the WhatsApp API setup here. Add your phone number here, generate access token. You want to opt in to all current and future WhatsApp accounts. Save. Click on got it. And you'll get an access token generated. Click on send message. We got a message over here. Okay. So we want to test this. We want to test this workflow just to see that the WhatsApp trigger will trigger once we send a message. So click on execute workflow, waiting for you to create an event in WhatsApp. Go back to WhatsApp. Just click on hi. Okay, workflow executed successfully. Okay, this is from my last AI chatbot I created. So I don't want to use the same number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change. I'm going to go to here and change the test number over here. I'm gonna add the new phone number. I'm going to be adding business name, country, Saudi Arabia. Hold on a second. Can I add a new test number? I cannot. I only have access to one. So I'm gonna go to my other WhatsApp workflow, save. Just I'm gonna deactivate it. I'm gonna deactivate it over here so it doesn't send me a message. So it doesn't activate that workflow. I'm gonna go back to my one that I just created. Let's just make sure that it doesn't trigger that other workflow that I created, because you shouldn't get this message right now. So it didn't trigger it. but it did trigger this one. If we execute the workflow and we send a hi, should, yep, workflow executed successfully. Okay, sorry about that. You shouldn't face that issue. So here you're going to add a new AI agent. Let's see. Chat defined below. Yes, we want to pass the message that we sent. So the text body over here. So okay, just put it over there, and that's it for this one. You want to add a chat module. Just I'm going to be using Google Gemini chat model since it's free. I'm going to use this model, Gemini 2.5 dash flash. Go back. For the memory, you want the simple memory. I'm going to change this. This is the memory of the chatbot, so we want it to have like a good amount of memory. So just if you put 5 or whatever number you put here, let's say 10, it's going to remember the 10 previous messages that you sent that chatbot. So for this one, we want to change that define below to the key. We'll say we're going to use our number. Just put that over there, and that's it. Now we have this the module and memory. Now since that's it, we don't need to add a tool right now. We just want to send the message to send for the AI chat bot in WhatsApp to be able to send us a message. So you go to WhatsApp and send message. For here, you will need to create a new credential. You need access token and business account ID. So the access token we already created here. So you're gonna copy this, put it over here, and for the business account ID, it's going to be this one. Just copy it and paste it. Save. Yeah, if you did everything correctly, you should get this. Connection tested successfully. Close that. So for here, the sender, it's going to be the test number, and the recipient phone number. Okay, we don't have input data yet, so we want to go execute this step. Okay, no, hold on. Let's execute this step. Okay, we want to be able to get the phone number, so we're going to delete this for now, and we're going to execute the workflow. Go back to WhatsApp, click on hi. You're not going to get any messages, but it will execute it successfully. Now if we go here, okay, so here we got the output message. That's what we want. For here we want to add WhatsApp send message. We just created it, so you want to put the test number and the recipient random number. It's going to be from the trigger. Just get this number over here and put it here. For the text body, it's going to be the AI agent message that it output, and that's it. Now let's save it, execute workflow, go back to WhatsApp, say hi, Okay, now we got the message that we want. So the AI chatbot now is connected to Google Gemini AI, and if you ask any questions such as, let's say, get me the best ice cream shops in Riyadh. Oh, you need to click on the execute workflow. So, so you we don't want to click on execute workflow every time. So what you want to do is just click on the activate button here. Just got it. Now let's see if it works. It worked without clicking on the execute workflow. Now let's copy this message over here. Okay, now we got it. It'll take a few seconds for the AI chatbot to send you a message. Now we got our answer to our question. Now we just want to add a few tools from our previous tutorial that we were able to create events to our Google Calendar, and we were able to get the events to get all the events that we want for a specific date. So add a new tool here, search for calendar. For the first one, want to create an event. You're going to be able to need creating a new credential. If you want to know how to do that, just go back to my previous video, to my first video, and well, I showed you over there how to do that. So you want to create an event here. Event, you want to choose event, create. From the calendar, you want to choose your calendar that you want to have. And for this one, you want to change it. Okay, that's not what I want to do. Let's say from AI start date. Copy it, paste it over here, and I want to put this in end date. You want to add an additional field. We want to add a description. Paste paste it over here. Description. We want to add another field called summary. Summary is going to be the title of your event, and just paste it. Summary. Okay, that should do it for this one. And back to canvas. Just save it. Okay, it's saved now. Go back to WhatsApp. Just say hi again, just to make sure it's still working. Let's say create an event for the 30th, for the 1st of October, called studying at 8 p.m. To find this, I need a little bit more information. What year is this event for? What time would you like to add a description? Okay, so The AI doesn't know what date it is. So you want to go back to the AI agent over here, and you want to go back. You want to add a system message. Just put you are a helpful assistant. Dot one of your roles is to be able to create an event to our calendar, and also you are able to get all events for a specified date or period. And we want to add an expression. We want to give it today's date is just now, and that's it. Save it. Go back to WhatsApp, say hi. Copy this message over here, create an event. Okay, still asking what year, so what time should the event end? Let's go to create event. Okay, yeah, we need to add if we're going to add a date and not say tomorrow or today, you're going to need to add the year as well. So let's just paste it. Paste it on 1st of October 2025, called study at 8 p.m. for 1 hour. Okay, we've created an event called studying for you on October 1st, 2025 from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So we can go to the Google Calendar and see. So this is Wednesday, October 1st, and studying. There it is created. It didn't, yeah, it didn't put this the correct time exactly because I didn't specify the the time zone. So it automatically put out GMT, and there's a 3 hour time difference, so it put it 5. So you can just add, let's say, Riyadh time or US Eastern time if you want to specify the exact time. So now we want to add a new tool. Let's take this one over here and add a new tool to be able to get all the events. Let's put calendar to get all the events from a calendar, so you can know what events you have, let's say, for tomorrow or for October 1st. So click on Google Calendar here. You want to select event, and here you want to get many. You want to choose the calendar, and for this one you want to change it up from AI after time and before time. Maybe I don't want to get after and before time. Yep, that should do it. Back to canvas, save. Let's go back here, say hi, just to make sure it's working before I ask it to do anything. It's annoyed me that I keep saying hi. So let's say get all events for tomorrow, which will is going to be September 30th. So all events for tomorrow. Okay, so we have one event on September 3rd called studying from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. UTC time. You can go to the Google Calendar. Yep, there, this one. It's this one. We don't have another one on October 30th. Okay, so here we have, we were able to create a WhatsApp chatbot, and we gave it a couple of tools that it can create an event and get the events from our calendar. I'm going to hopefully in the future I'm going to expand on this project and create new tools. It's go so this was a simple project. It's for me because I'm still learning, and for you guys if you're still new to this to n8n, it's a good starting project to create. This is it for this project for this tutorial. If you want to follow my journey to learning AI automation, please subscribe and like this video and comment if you have any suggestion that I can create project, or which projects you guys want to see me create. Uh, all right, thank you guys for watching. See you.